In this video, we'll demonstrate how to remove and install the Moen 1222 cartridge. It fits our Posi-Temp Tub and Shower faucets. Your situation may vary slightly depending on the faucet model. Step 1. Preparation. Before getting started, turn off the main water supply and open the handle to relieve any water pressure and drain the lines. Gather the right tools for the job. For safety and ease, Moen recommends using the Moen cartridge removal tool, a Phillips screwdriver, hex or Allen wrench, adjustable pliers, needle nose pliers, and safety glasses if desired. Step 2. Remove the trim and the 1222 cartridge. Unthread the set screw to detach the handle. Loosen the handle adapter screw and remove the adapter. Pull off the key stop and adjustable temperature limit stop, then the stop tube. Pull out the cartridge retaining clip with needle nose pliers. Make sure the cartridge is in the on position. The notch in the stem should be facing up. Remove the cartridge from the valve. You can also use the Moen cartridge removal tool to pull out the cartridge. Step 3. Install the new 1222 cartridge. Apply grease to the cartridge oval on both sides. Make sure the HC symbol and the notch in the cartridge stem are facing up. Then insert the new 1222 cartridge into the valve. Reinsert the retaining clip to hold the cartridge in place. Slide on the stop tube, adjustable temperature limit stop, and key stop. Finish up by reinstalling the handle adapter and handle. Congratulations! Your job is done. Removing and installing the 1222 cartridge is fast and easy with Moen. If you have any questions about Moen or any of our products, please call Moen Consumer Services.